Welcome, adventurers, to a journey into the heart of one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles. Volcanoes, buckle up because we're about to embark on an 8-minute thrill ride. Behold the raw power of Mother Earth as she unleashes her fury. Volcanoes, the ultimate showstoppers, paint the sky with fiery hues and shake the ground beneath our feet. From towering stratovolcanoes to gentle shield volcanoes, our planet boasts a diverse array of volcanic wonders. Each one tells a unique story of geological forces at work. What lies beneath the surface of these majestic giants. Join us as we journey into the depths with fearless scientists who risk it all to unlock the secrets of volcanoes. Believe it or not, volcanoes aren't just about destruction, they're also creators of life. The rich minerals and fertile soil they provide support vibrant ecosystems and sustain communities around the globe. Imagine standing at the edge of a volcanic crater, surrounded by otherworldly landscapes and steaming geothermal wonders. It's a surreal experience that ignites the imagination. For thrill seekers and adventurers, exploring volcanoes is the ultimate adrenaline rush. From hiking to the rim of an active volcano to descending into lava caves, the possibilities are endless. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to respect the dangers of volcanic activity and heed the advice of experts to ensure your safety and the safety of others. As our journey comes to an end, remember this. Volcanoes are not just forces of nature, they're gateways to adventure, wonder, and discovery. So, dare to explore, dare to dream, and dare to be amazed. Until next time, adventurers, keep chasing your dreams and reaching for the stars.